Do you love massages? Number 10 is for you. And before that, 1 to 9, the links are in the description. Hurry! Technique number 10 is called as temple massage. Keep your fingers like this and place them on your temple with little bit of pressure. There are 3 separate variants that we are going to do in this. The first one is clockwise, 20 times. Once you're done with this, anti-clockwise. And the last one is up and down. You can add a little bit of fun to this by doing it like this also. But however, this could itself do. This exercise is very simple. It massages our eye muscles and very good. In fact, can be used even for headache also. In fact, people actually do that. They use a bit of an oil and they can do it. But for just temple massage, you can just do like this. If you want, you can use a little bit of coconut oil also. Massage your temples. This was technique number 10.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.